Hey guys, it's Becca and I've got the February 2019 Creative Notions box. This is a sewing subscription box that runs for about $35 a month. Let's open up the package and see what's inside. This month's package comes in a very pretty box. It has daisies on the side and it says Creative Notions across the top with their logo camper, and their website is on the back. Here's the inside of the package. The contents are wrapped in some glittery tissue paper and it's sealed with a sticker. This is what the box looks like once you rip past the tissue paper. We'll go through this item by item. First up, there's a little poem about Grandma's apron. We have a little note about the February box, and on the back it lists out all of the items that are in the box with their retail value. We have this cute little package with a apron die cut on the front, and it's all secured together with some twine. This is the back side of the package so you can see everything in there. We have a package of 0.625 inch rickrack. There's 2.5 yards of it. This retails for $2.87. This month's charm from Pin Peddlers retails for $5.25. And just to let you know, once you've subscribed for 6 months, you get your choice of either a charm bracelet or a charm holder to display all of these. I have a green FriXion Colorsticks pen. This retails for $2.18. A roll of washi tape that retails for $1.65. And a little sweet treat. This month's pattern retails for $5. It makes an apron, and you need 4 to 8 fat quarters and some rickrack for the trim, and then some fusible interfacing. My favorite part of any subscription box is always the fabric. And I gotta say, just looking at this first piece, I'm really gonna dig the line that's in this month's box. There are 8 fat quarters, each valued at $3 a piece, for a total retail value of $24. Let's take a look at all the fabric. February's fabrics feature Mary Elizabeth by Christopher Thompson of the Tatooed Quilter for Riley Blake. Fat quarter number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7, number 8. That's my February 2019 Creative Notions box. The total retail value of this package is $40.95. Plus, after 6 months, you get an extra value when you get your charm bracelet or pin holder. Let me know what you thought of this month's box in the comments down below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to catch the next time I post an unboxing video. I'll catch you later.